Looking to enhance your WordPress site's navigation? In this video, we are exploring the navigation menu block from Nextr Blocks, perfect for creating customizable menus, including horizontal, vertical toggle, and mega menus. Whether you are aiming for a simple menu or a comprehensive mega menu, I'll guide you through setting it up without any coding. So let's dive in.
Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextr Block Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextr Block Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextr Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextr Block Pro plugin, go to Nextr Block, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextr Blocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextr Block Pro plugin.
Step 2. Activate the navigation menu block. To do that, go to Nextr Blocks, then Blocks, and search for Navigation menu. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of navigation menu block from Nextr Blocks. This is a premium block, so some of the options will be only available if you have the pro version of Nextr Blocks. Now let's continue. In the navigation content tab, we have to select the menu type. Here we will find two options: WordPress menu to use the menu created in WordPress site, and manual menu to create custom menus. We'll see the manual menu later in this video, so let's focus on WordPress menu for now. From the menu layout section, we have to select the layout of your menu. You can create a horizontal menu, you can create vertical menu, or you can create a vertical toggle menu. We'll see these two options later, so let's focus on horizontal for now. From the select menu drop down, you have to select a menu that you have created in a WordPress site. If you don't have a menu, you have to create a menu first, then you have to select it from here. From the alignment, you can align the menu. From the sub menu open section, you can set the sub menu open trigger. You can set it on mouse over or you can set it on mouse click. From the sub menu transition, you can set a transition for the sub menu. Now let's see the vertical option. This is how it will look. We'll find same options over here. Now let's see the vertical toggle. We'll find same option over here as well. Additionally, we'll find this toggle bar toggle. Once you enable it, it will add a toggle bar over here. From the toggle bar open section, you can set the trigger. If you set it to normal, it will remain open like this. If you set it to hover, it will open once you hover on the toggle bar. If you set it to click, it will open the menu once you click on it. Then from the title, you can set the toggle bar text. In the URL field, you can add an URL on this toggle bar as well. From the prefix icon section, you can add an icon before the toggle bar text. From the toggle icon, you can add an icon after the text as well. Now let's continue with the horizontal for now. Then from the mobile menu tab, you can make this menu mobile friendly by turning on the responsive mobile menu toggle. In the open menu mobile screen width, we preset the minimum screen width when this mobile menu will show. From the mobile menu, you have to select the mobile menu. If you select the select menu option, it will use the menu I've selected here, or you can select standard to use a different menu for your mobile menu. Let's continue with the select menu for now. Then from the menu type, you have to select the type of menu. You can create a toggle menu. It will add a toggle button. For the mobile menu, you can add a swiper menu, so user can swipe the menu horizontally in mobile screen, or you can create an off canvas menu. To see these options one by one, select the toggle option. From the navigation width, you can set the navigation width. You can set the toggle menu width. You can set it to full width, or you can set boxed. If you select the boxed option, you can set a custom width. Then from the toggle style, you can select the predefined style. From the toggle alignment, you can align the toggle button. From the navigation alignment, you can align the menu in mobile view. If you enable this mobile click close menu toggle, you can allow user to close the menu by clicking anywhere on the screen. And let's see the swiper option. Here again we'll see the navigation alignment and mobile click close menu toggle. Let's see the off canvas option. You can select a pattern to show as an off canvas menu. If you don't select a pattern, it will use your default mobile menu. If you want to add a pattern, you can enable the show template toggle. Then from the select pattern drop down, you have to select a pattern, or you can click on create pattern button to create a new pattern. Let's disable it for now. Then from the custom width, you can set the off canvas menu width. Again, you can set a toggle style, toggle alignment, navigation alignment, and mobile click close menu. Again, you'll find the option for toggle style, toggle alignment, navigation alignment, and mobile click close menu toggle. Now let's see the manual menu option. Here again, you'll find the 3 menu layouts: horizontal, vertical toggle. Then from the navigation menus section, you have to use these repeater items to create the menu. Let's see the option you will find in this repeater items. From the menu label drop down, you have to select the menu label. 0 label being the top level and subsequently followed by this level. For example, if you select 0, it will be the top menu. If you select 1 right after this, that will be the sub menu of this menu. If you select 2, it will be the sub menu of level 1. So that's how this level works. Then from the link section, you can add a link to the menu item. In the menu text field, you can add the menu name. Then from the sub menu maximum width, you can set the maximum width for the sub menu of this menu. If you enable the label toggle, you can add a label to the menu item. In the title field, you can add the label name, you can add the label. In the label color, you can adjust the label text color, and from the label background color, you can adjust the label background color. Then from the menu icon type, you can add an icon. You select the icon option. You can add font awesome icon or dash icons, or you can add an image to the menu. Based on the selected option, you can find different option over here. Let's see the icon for now. You can adjust the icon color, background, border for normal, hover, and active states. For image, you can adjust the background, border for normal, hover, and active states. Let's select none for now. Then in the custom class field, you can add a custom class for this menu, which you can use to target with custom CSS or JS. Now let's see how to create a submenu like this. This menu item has submenus. Here we have selected the level 0. You find same options. Then we have selected level 1. This will be the submenu of level 0, as I said earlier. Here you can select submenu type. You can select a link, or you can select mega menu. We'll see the mega menu option later. Then in the link, you can add a link to the submenu item. In the menu text, you can add the text for the menu. You can add the menu name. Then from the submenu minimum width, you can set a minimum width for the submenu. Again, you can add a label. Again, you can add icon or image to the menu item, like we've added an image over here. For all the levels from level 1 to level 6, you'll find this description option to add additional description to the menu, like we've added over here. Now to add more items in the drop down menu, we have to select level 1 for all the repeated items you want as your sub menu. Like we have added 5 items, in all we have selected level 1. This will be the sub menu of resources over here. You can click on the add menu button. You can add more menu items. In the sub menu option, you will find the same 2 triggers on hover, on click. Then in the mobile menu, you'll find almost same option, but for this mobile menu, you'll find 2 different options: custom and standard. If you select custom, it will use the same menu as you have used over here. If you select standard, you can select the standard WordPress menu as your mobile menu. Now let's see the mega menu option. We'll use this demo. Now to use the mega menu option, you have to create a pattern for the mega menu items. Once you've created the pattern, you have to select the pattern from the select pattern drop down. If you don't have a pattern, you can click on the create pattern button to create the pattern. Then from the Ajax load, you can set how the menu will load. Select default, it will load on page load. If you select standard Ajax, it will load only when someone clicks on the menu item. That will improve the page load time. Then from the mega menu type, you have to select the mega menu container width. If you select default, you can set a container width manually for responsive devices. If you select container, it will be size of the container. If you select full width, it will be full width menu. Let's select container for now. Then from the mobile mega menu link toggle, you can add a dynamic link and show a custom text instead of the mega menu in mobile view. To use this dynamic link, make sure to enable the responsive mobile menu toggle. and selected custom. Again, you can adjust the submenu width, you can add label, you can add icon or image, you can add custom class as well. Following this process, you can create vertical menu or vertical toggle menu like this one. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. If you've selected the vertical toggle menu, we'll say this toggle sidebar tab. On the title typography, you can adjust the typography of this toggle menu title, or you can add global typography as well. On the padding, you can add padding. On the title color, you can adjust the title color. You can add border radius. You can adjust the title background. You can add solid color, gradient color, or even a background image. You can adjust the box shadow. You can adjust all these properties for normal and hover states. Then from the navigation option, you can adjust the width of this navigation bar. Now you can add padding, you can add border color, border width, border radius. You can adjust the background, box shadow. Then from the main menu toggle, you can adjust the main menu style. From the typography, you can adjust the typography of this menu items. You can add margin, padding. From the main menu indicator style, you can select the indicator style. Then you adjust the text color, indicator color. You can add border radius. You can add background, box shadow. You can adjust all these properties for normal, hover, and active states. And from the main menu icon, if you have added icon in a menu, you can adjust the size from here. You can adjust the icon width. You can adjust the icon color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal, hover, and active states. Then from the main menu level tab, you can adjust the level you have added in your menu items. We'll see this option if you have selected this manual menu. From here, you can adjust the label typography. You can change the horizontal offset, vertical offset. You can adjust padding, border, background. In the main menu label, the label we have added over here, you can adjust the style of this label. You see this option for manual menu only. And there you can adjust the label typography from horizontal offset, vertical offset. You can adjust the position of this label. Neck padding, border radius, background. Then from the sub menu tab, you can adjust the style of the sub menu items. You can adjust the typography from the sub menu alignment to align the sub menu items. From sub menu indicator style, you can select indicator style. From the sub menu outer option, you can add border radius. You can adjust the background, box shadow. You can add padding for the outer container of the sub menu. From the sub menu inner option, you can add padding. You can adjust the text color, background for normal, hover, and active states. Then from the sub menu icon section, you can adjust the icon size, icon width. You can adjust icon color, background, border, box shadow for normal, hover, and active states. In the description tab, you can adjust the style of the description you have added in your menu. From the alignment, you can align the description. You can add padding, margin. You can adjust the typography, color. If you have added labels in your sub menu, you can adjust the style from this sub menu label tab. You can adjust the label typography. You can adjust the position from horizontal offset, vertical offset. You can add padding, border radius. You can adjust background. Then from the mobile menu tab, you can adjust the style of the mobile menu. From the toggle height, you can set the height of the toggle. From toggle margin, you can add margin. You can adjust the toggle color for normal and active state. You can adjust the typography. You can add padding, margin, border radius. You can adjust the color, indicator color, background for normal and active states. Then from the mobile submenu tab, you can adjust the submenu style in the mobile view. You can adjust the typography, padding, alignment, color, background for normal and active states. Then in the extra option tab, you'll find some additional option. On the main menu hover effect, you can add different hover effects to the main menu. Based on the selected style, you will find relevant styling options. From the menu inverse effect toggle, you can add an inverse effect to the menu items. From the selected menu opacity, you can add opacity to the menu we've selected. Then for the remaining menu items, you can reduce the opacity from the remaining menu opacity section to create an inverse effect like this. The selected menu will have more opacity than the other menus. Similarly, from the sub-menu inverse effect, you can add inverse effect in the sub-menu items. From the menu last open sub-menu left toggle, you can align the sub-menu items to the right in mobile view. In the open last left menu, you have to set the number which menu item you want this effect. If you select 1, it will target the last menu item from the right. If you set 3, it will select the last 3 menu items from the right, which will have where the sub menu of those 3 items will be aligned to the right. You'll see this effect only in the front end. Then from the web accessibility tab, you can improve the menu accessibility by enabling the web accessibility toggle. You can add border and box shadow. Then in the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling option to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the navigation menu block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.